To make a tank top like this one, you're going to need 4-way stretch fabric and a tank top that already fits you well to use as a sewing pattern. You're going to fold your fabric in half right sides together and then lay your tank top on top, and this is going to be your sewing pattern. Now that I have my sewing pattern weighed down, I'm just going to cut it out. Since this fabric is stretchy, you can be a little more lenient with the measurements. So now we have our back piece and our front piece. I do want the neckline to be a little bit lower in the front, so I'm just going to cut this down a little bit. And I also want the front to have this little U shape, and then I want the sides to be curved. So I'm just going to cut some curves on the side and then a U shape at the bottom right here. So just cut that off like that. And you can make this as high or as low as you want. So it should look like this. You just want to make sure you leave about 1.5 to 2 inches of space right here, because this is where we're going to attach the straps. To make the straps, you're going to cut out some fabric. I made mine 3 inches by 15 inches. Now we're going to sew the tank top together, so put right sides together. And then we're going to sew along the sides, so down here, and then on the shoulders up here and up here. To sew the edges, you can use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. I'm just going to use my serger machine though, because it's a lot faster. After you serge the sides and the top, there's going to be some leftover fabric on the back side of the tank top, so you're just going to cut that off. Now you're going to hem the neckline, the armholes, and the bottom. So to do all the hemming, I just fold the fabric over a little bit, use clips to keep it in place, and then I do a zigzag stitch to give it a clean finish. For the straps, you're going to fold them in half, sew across the top and the side, and then leave an opening at the bottom so you can flip it inside out. And to flip it inside out, I like to use a loop turner. Now we have our tank top fully hemmed. We're going to take the straps with the open side at the bottom and lay it on top of here and on top of here. And then we're just going to do a zigzag stitch over here. So just do a little zigzag stitch and then you can customize the tank top however you want. So this is the final result. I decided to add some grommets to the straps. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was helpful, and follow and save for more sewing videos.